Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami dolphin. So what you want to do first is fold both diagonals and then unfold. Fold the right edges to the center line and then unfold. Then do the same on the left edge. And now using the creases made, collapse the model's upper half. And then do the same on the bottom half. And then now bring the two flaps created to the left. Now turn the model over. Next, fold the left corner towards the center line. Fold the top flap to the left, covering about 1/4 of the distance between the left edge and the center line. And now fold the corners along this crease right here. And then fold the flap that was created. And then cut along this line then cut along 1/4 of this lower half. Fold the left corner approximately 1/3 of the length of the top flap. And then fold the model in half horizontally by bringing the bottom half up. Then fold the tail's top layer. And then fold the dolphin's fin along this faint crease line here. Now flip your model over, then do the same on the other side. And now lift the top flap and position it to fold along the dotted line, creating the dorsal fin. And there you have your origami dolphin. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.